Hey, welcome back. Been a while since I did a video. Been kind of busy. Figured I'd make one. Been working on this a little while. Originally I was gonna do like a front PTO shaft type thing. Kinda, I guess is the same thing as that, but a little different. I don't know, it was a couple of years ago I found a junk snowblower on Craigslist for a 520 LXI. And it was like, I think I paid like $50 for it. The guy hit a rock and it was kind of broken parts of it. The top, actually this top part over here, where the belt comes on was all bent because he hit a rock and then stopped it really fast. So I used it. The pulley assembly box was still good. So that's what I used for a base with this. I had to notch it a little bit. So I got bars coming out, up. This is my platform. I got adjusting nuts so I can tighten my belt and adjust a little bit. I made it use the same size, hey Walt, the same size belt as the snowblower does. So I won't have to have all kinds of belts on hand. Same size belt. I had to trim these up a little bit on my mill. So I'll still have to, I think it's a little crooked right now. I'll have to adjust this over. I gotta cut another keyway on here still. Obviously that belt's too short. Got these blocks as spacers so I can get a clearance to get a wrench on there. I think they're 1 1/8. Yeah, so it should be pretty sweet. Been pretty busy since my last video. We bought a camper almost a year ago. Camping a lot. Kids keep me pretty busy. And the dog. Not really the dog, mainly the kids. But it's been a super cold winter, so I haven't been out in the garage much. I didn't like turning the heat on. It takes so long to cool it down, or warm it up. But I'm gonna I have to drill in the counter bore these. Got a loose print. Just center. I got some smaller washers, but yeah, need about like that. Sticking up. How's it going, Walt? They're eating some popcorn. It keeps them busy and buys me a little time. I got the battery charge in here. This needs to be adjusted still, but it's not perfectly lined up. If it starts, I'll show you the PTO part before, as of now. I already have this edge found here on the corner, the back of the vise on the side. Been liking having a mill, it's been pretty handy. I just got it set up with a stop. That'll be plenty close for just some drilled through holes, counter bars. Alright, it's like 450 over. close enough. Lock the Y. Yeah, it's close enough. I gotta still kind of calculate what I want the other dimension at. Well, I'm gonna make it at 4. Well, that's pretty bright. 4, wait. 1/2 inch and then 4 1/4 over. So I'll go over 1/2 inch. There. Locker. Oops. Lock that. Maybe hopefully I have that down low enough to get the drill in there. Yep. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Got my VFD in here. Mitsubishi. Can't remember if I went over that or not. Mitsubishi D700. That's probably a little fast. Maybe like, whoops. That'll be close enough. Probably could go into low gear, but this is like a 340 drill. So 1/2 inch, and then I'm gonna go over 3 inches 750. Have to get that out of the way. I don't know how fun this will be to watch somebody drill a hole. Probably not very. Be exciting. I'll probably skip this part. Probably kind of boring to watch. Just gonna drill 2 holes. Yeah. I'll come back for the counter bore. Maybe let you watch a little counter bore. Well, that went pretty well. Just go over 4 1/4. And then repeat. Whoops. Too much. There. Want more popcorn, Walt? Alright. Are you sharing with your sister?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Clean that up though. Actually drilled pretty decent. I guess I don't see why I wouldn't, but.
Daddy,
What?
I'm gonna go home today.
Freezing?
Yeah.
The heat's on. Are you coming back out? Oh. Hey.
Then when I can find this charger.
The internet. Hey, you guys, back up. Too close.
What?
I can't get Walt to wear safety glasses yet, so he has to stay back. You're kind of close, Walt. Back up. I'll help him back up. Thank you.
Not listening. Walter, you're gonna get hurt. Yep, you're gonna get hurt now. Dad, Walter, what?
I just have a 5/8 end mill in there, and I'm just gonna go down about 950 thou. Try to crank it like a mile. Oh, jeez. A lot of cranking. Crank. 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 That's a lot of cranking. Alright. That's a lot of cranking. Crank that back on. Probably like, I don't know. Probably there-ish. And then I'll just go down just till that kisses it. And then set this 0. Man, this is hard with one hand. There. There. I'm just gonna go peck it an inch, or wait, 950 deep, so 2 times. What, Allie? No, because, are you guys feeding Lil?
Can I, Dad?
No. That turned out pretty good. Hopefully it works. Find an Allen wrench. Gotta get some different washers.
Okay, I'm gonna do a new bike today.
Oh, that'll be good. Let's see what size that is.
Okay, look at it. Ready? Yeah. Go. This is okay.
There. Turned out pretty good. I'll do it that way because I think that's how I'm gonna have to change the belt. Wow. I mean, I didn't really want to weld all this together so I could still take it apart. I'll just repeat the other one. I'm not going to show that, I'll just do that quick. There. Got the other one. The other one doesn't take long at all. Oh, boy. See how it looks. Okay. Here, I like it. Oh. Then I'm gonna do some bolts. I'm gonna bolt it from the bottom too, so I'm gonna have to make a couple more holes and measure some stuff. But I have to buy a new pulley also because Walter decided to knock this pump over. That's alright, I guess. Well, I guess that's going to be this video. See if it starts here quick. And, yeah, engage that jack shaft if it starts. Oh, it started! Oh, when I was making this, I was leaving enough room here, but it hits. Oh yeah, this one. Back up, Walt. There, go up there. Up. Let's see if it works. I'll probably take that off. Alright, well, I think it's gonna work. It goes. Cool, huh? Hey girl, you wanna go for a little ride?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a pressure washer.
What?
Pressure washer pump. I don't know if I ever actually said what it was gonna be. Well, I'm gonna go for a little tractor ride. See you later.
Daddy,
What?
what do you have to help me?
I don't know, I probably cut myself.
What?
Oh, I cut myself. That's okay.